Welcome to Gayatri Yoga, my friends. Today I would like to offer you a quick under 10 minutes flow that you can do anytime when you need a little break from whatever you're doing, or when you don't have when you don't have enough time for a full length practice. So maybe in the morning when you wake up and you're in a rush, you're running late, but you want to do something for yourself, for your body. This will be a great practice. We'll begin the practice in our child's pose. Take a moment to tune in and observe how you feel. Begin connecting to your breath length and through your sacrum, through your sit bones to the back of the room, and through the crown of the head to the front of the room. Expanding the ribs as you inhale, contracting as you exhale. And when you're ready, slowly rise up into your tabletop. Spread the fingers and begin finding your cats and cows. Inhale, send the tailbone up, lift through the heart, find your arch. Exhale, draw the pubic bone towards the ribs, push the floor away from you, round. Inhale, find your arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Curl the toes and begin sending the hips back and up. Reach your belly towards the thighs and extend the legs. Lower the knees down. Inhale, lift through the heart, find your arch. Exhale, draw the pubic bone towards the ribs, round. Lift the knees, reach your belly towards the thighs, and slowly extend the legs, find your downward dog. Inhale, lower the knees, lift through the heart, find your arch. Exhale, draw the pubic bone towards the ribs, round, tuck the chin. Begin lifting the knees, reach your belly towards the thighs, and extend the legs, downward dog. Walk your legs here. You can slightly shift the hips from side to side to lengthen through the sides of the body. Inhale, lift your right leg up and step it to the front of the mat. Lower your back knee down. Exhale. Inhale, lift the arms up and find your back bend, sinking the hips, lifting through the heart. Exhale, frame the front foot and bring your right knee towards the left. Send the hips back, find your child's pose for a moment. Inhale, curl the toes, lift the hips up, downward dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up and step it to the front of the mat. Exhale, lower your back knee down. Inhale, lift the arms up, lift through the heart, find your back bend, stretch through the front of the hip. Exhale, frame your front foot, bring your left knee towards the right, and take your child's pose for a moment. Inhale, lift the hips, curl the toes, and find your downward dog. Send the gaze to the front. Inhale and exhale, jump to the front of the mat. Inhale, lift the chest halfway up. Exhale, folding down. Inhale, rising up to standing and finding your back bend. Exhale, standing forward, fold all the way, compress the belly towards the thighs. Inhale, lift the chest halfway up. Exhale, step or jump back into plank and lower down, knees, chest, chin or chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog, lift through the heart. Exhale, shift the hips back and up, downward dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up and step it to the front of the mat, lower your back knee down. Inhale, lift the arms up, find your back bend. Exhale, return to neutral and add your twist. Bring the palms together, hook the elbow towards the thigh or towards the knee, and twist. Inhale, release, extend the arms, and add your twisted back bend, stretch through the front of the hip. Inhale and exhale, frame your front foot, walk your right foot to the left side of the mat, descend the shin down and find your pigeon, lift through the heart. If you wish, you can add your quadricep stretch. Inhale and exhale, slowly release. Lift the hips, step your right foot back to plank, knees, chest, chin or chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, shift the hips back and up, downward dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up and step it to the front of the mat. Lower your back knee down, exhale. Inhale, lift the arms up, lift through the heart, find your back bend. Engage the core. Exhale, bring the palms towards the heart and twist towards the left side. Hook the elbow to the outside of the knee or the thigh. Inhale, extend the arms and add a twisted back bend. Engage the core. Inhale up, frame your front foot and walk your left foot to the right edge of the mat. Descend your left shin and knee down to the floor. Square the hips and very slowly descend the hips down. Find your pigeon. You can add your quadricep stretch if you wish. Bend the right knee, reach for the foot. And exhale very slowly. Be careful with the knee. Release. Lift the hips, engage the core. Step your left foot back to plank. Walk your legs here. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, shift the hips back and up. Downward dog. With your right palm, reach towards the left ankle and twist towards the left side. Keep straightening the legs, reaching the heels down, gaze towards the ceiling. Inhale and exhale, slowly release. And now with your left palm, reach for the right ankle. Stay twisted towards the right side as you reach the tailbone up and heels down, gaze up to the ceiling. Inhale. And exhale, slowly release. Lowering the knees down. Begin shifting the hips back. Before you touch the heels, draw the pubic bone towards the ribs, around your lower back, middle back, upper back. Tuck the chin. And as you stay rounded, return to the front. And once your shoulders are over the wrist, return your spine to neutral. One more time. Send the hips back. Scoop and round. And return to the front. Open the chest, lift your right arm up, twist, and thread your right arm under the left armpit. Lower the shoulder down to the floor. Press your left palm into the mat and send your left shoulder towards the right side of the room. Stay twisted. Keep your hips over the knees. Inhale and exhale, slowly rise up. Bring your right palm to the floor and twist to the left side. Inhale and exhale, lower your arm down under the right armpit. Press the palm into the mat and send your right shoulder to the left side of the room. Keep your hips over the knees. Observe the sensations. Inhale and exhale, slowly begin rising up. Couple of cats and cows. Draw the pubic bone towards ribs, around your lower back, middle back, upper back. Tuck the chin. Inhale, lift through the heart, find your arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, return to neutral. Send the hips back. Lower the hips on top of the heels. Cross the arms, right arm under the left. Lift the elbows, reach the palms away from you. And observe how it feels in your shoulders. And you can play with rounding your back. And then lifting through the heart. Lift the elbows up. Exhale, round. Inhale, up. Exhale, round. Inhale, return to neutral and cross the arms the opposite way. Inhale, lift the elbows, reach the palms to the front. You can draw the pubic bone towards ribs, tucking the chin, rounding. And inhale, lift through the heart, lift the elbows, reach the palms away from you, push the forearms into one another. Exhale, round. Observe how it feels in your upper body. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. Inhale, return to neutral. Slowly uncross the arms, and you can make big, big, big circles with your shoulders, with your arms, your elbows, your wrists. shake. And you can bring the palms towards the heart and take a moment to observe how you feel after your quick practice. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you guys for joining me for this quick flow. I hope you feel a little bit more awakened and tuned in into your body, a little more distracted from any thoughts or from anything that's expecting you after your practice. Remember to eat healthy, drink lots of water, take care of yourself. Until we practice again, namaste.